Hey guys, it's finally here. So this is a box for the Instax Wide EVO. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. These type of videos are not my strong point, so I'm just gonna do a quick one for you guys, but I just want to show you guys the box. So here's the front, the top, the side, the other side, the back, and then the bottom. So you open it from the bottom here, goes out, and then just open it from here. And ta-da! So we'll start with the camera first. So this is the packaging. It comes in like a paper wrapping. Let's take it out of the bag. I am loving this. So this is the lens cap that comes with it. Yeah, and this is the Instax Wide EVO. I'm loving the black and the gray, like the metal. It actually feels relatively hefty. I thought it was going to be all plastic, but I think these at least the edging here is actually metal, which is nice. Here is the screen. Sorry for the fog. It was cold outside. This is probably a plastic. Maybe this is a plastic too, but it feels very well made. Yeah, so let's see. We'll take off the lens cap. So here you go. I love the sound. Here is the shutter, the on and off button. We'll take out this here. So that's where your film comes out. Like I said, the screen. Let's see if this thing has any power. Ooh, it does. So hopefully you guys can still see this. Yeah, so I will do a full video on like setting it up and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna turn it back off. Hopefully I'm still in here. But yeah, this is the camera. All right, so yeah, first thoughts, oh my God! Good gosh. Okay, so first thoughts, I am super excited about this. I am loving this camera, very, very excited. Okay, great. Let's look at the rest of what's in the box. So in the top part, so here we go, just a basic cable. So it's a kind of standard cable to a USB-C. I kind of wish it was USB-C to USB-C just because that's kind of the way the world is going, but that's fine. Here is a standard Instax strap. I'll take it out so you guys can see in case you've never seen it. If I can get it out. There we go. So yeah, just a standard strap. It has Instax on it. Yeah, pretty standard. And then what else do you get here? So just some standard paperwork, the warranty, download the Instax Up app. I'm surprised I don't have a QR code for the Instax Wide app, the Wide EVO app. And then this here is just the booklet. And yeah, so that is everything in the box. Oh, if you want to download the Wide EVO app, they have it on the box for Apple and Google. But yeah, so here it is. Here's the Wide EVO. Super excited to start playing with this. I will definitely do a more in-depth video about it. But yeah, just wanted to share my excitement with you guys. And yeah, I'll talk to you later.